If you're experiencing the matchmaking error 2025 in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary matchmaking issues. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include fixes for known issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.